Hi, I'm Scott Turnbull, Director of Technology at Fidus Systems, and frankly, we do a lot of Zynq UltraScale Plus designs for our customers. The reason that Zynq UltraScale Plus is at the center of these designs is its heterogeneous nature. It's really two chips in one, a multi-core, multifaceted processing system integrated with an FPGA fabric. This diversity enables the system architect to target operating systems like Linux and other sequential functions to the processing system, and then compute-intensive functions can take advantage of the FPGA's low latency and extreme parallelism. This all in a single chip. You benefit from unified tool sets, reduced BOM cost, reduced interaction complexity, reduced I/O power, and of course, reduced emissions. To help you with Zynq UltraScale Plus, Fidus provides a download called A Hardware Designer's Informal Guide to Xilinx Zynq UltraScale Plus. This 30-plus page document is filled with tips, tricks, and shortcuts. To make life easier, it also contains links to the most relevant Xilinx documents. Do not start a design without reading this first. I hope you enjoy the document, and remember, if you need a Zynq UltraScale Plus product designed, think Fidus. Thank you for your time.